experiencing frequent crashes with the REDnote app, open the settings and click on the Wi-Fi. Ensure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Toggle it off and on. Clear the app cache. Go back. Scroll and tap on the apps option. Then select the Manage Apps. Find and tap on the REDnote. Then click on the Clear Data option. Select the Clear Cache option and confirm your action. Now go back to your home screen. Update the app. Visit the Google Play Store and search REDnote from the search bar. And update the app if available. If the issue persists, reach out to the REDnote support center. Finally, your REDnote app should run smoothly again.